In this video, we will talk about Parson from chapter 6 and 10. I have taken content from both the chapters, and after analyzing all the question paper from 2012 to 2020, a common question for chapter 6 and 10 is as follows. Parson's contribution to understand social system. Now we will see how we can write an answer for this. Social system in the patterned network of relationship constituting a coherent whole that exists between individual groups and institution. Talcott Parson was first to formulate a systematic theory of social system, which he did as a part of his Agile paradigm. He defined social system as only a segment or a subsystem of what he called action theory. Parsons organized a social system in terms of action units where one action executed by an individual is one unit. So what Parsons is trying to say by his action theory is that one action is executed by a single individual is one unit. He defined social system as a network of interaction between actors. According to him, social systems rely on a system of language and culture must exist in society in order to qualify a social system. So for social system, there must be a system of language and culture must exist in society in order to qualify a social system. Both of these conditions are necessary for a social system to exist. Parsons' functionalism is best known in terms of functional imperatives, the essential conditions required for enduring existence of a system. It is also known as Agile model or four-function paradigm. These four functions help us to explain how a state of balance emerges in a system. For achieving equilibrium, society requires the processes of socialization, internalization of societal values, and the mechanism of social control so that deviance is checked. Parson has re-examined functional approach on two counts. Zero sum can happen as a special case. However, in some cases, gain or losses do not cancel out. We have talked about zero sum of concept in a previous video. Please refer to that video to understand the concept of zero sums. In the concept of zero sum, briefly I can tell you that if A has power 2 unit and B has power of 2 unit, where A has positive power and B has negative power, means A has power on B where A commands B against his will. So plus 2 units plus minus for 2 units will be 0. So the total sum of the power of A and B will be 0. Son will has to carry out by father. For example, in a normal case, father's will is being carried out by son. But if the zero sums of power don't happen, son will have to be carried out by father. That is a special case because it will not be happen every time, because it is the father will to accept or not accept son's will. Officer has to agree with subordinate clerk's opinion. It is another example. Here the officer has the power to agree with or to not agree with subordinate clerk opinion. Thus, non-zero sum is normal feature. If it happens, that becomes zero is a special case. Now the second count was power not for individual cases but for the total social system is needed and part played by different agencies in that regards. What is Agile paradigm? We can see here A and I are the external features whereas G and L are the internal features. A and G are the means or instrumental paradigm, whereas I and L are the ends or consummatory paradigms. Now here A stands for adaptation of system to nature and environment performed by economy. It is provided means, instrumental aspect to achieve goals of securing sufficient resources from society. It is external function. G stands for goal attainment. It is performed by polity. Collective of the society are realized. It mobilizes motivations of the actors and organize the efforts. It is concerned with Indo-consumatory aspect. It is external function. I stands for integration. Society has different units with their own interest. Conflict may arise, but it is normal phenomena in society. That is known as conflict theory. In a social system, it has capacity to resolve conflict resolution. It is the heart of the four functions, that is A, G and L. Legal institution and courts perform it. Internal aspect of system. We have already talked about it. It motivates actor and provide mechanism. L stands for latency or pattern maintenance. It defines basis for laws making in terms of or in consonance with values of society. It is related to family, religion, education, and it performs function. Latency gives meanings to achieve ends. It is internal to the system. Now we can see general level of action theory and Agile function in social system. In the general level of action theory, there is organism, personality, culture and social system. Whereas in Agile function of social system, there is economy, polity, fiduciary system and societal community. Adaptation is related to boundary maintenance. Society defines relation to external environment, nature and its resources. Economy acts as an organized effort, thus economy is a subsystem. Function analysis is possible because first, social system exists and capable of handling conflict within it. Second, social system consists of parts. Third, parts care active and contribute to maintenance and continuation of the system. Thus, function analysis is possible in social system. System work longer than lifespan of generation. We have already looked into this, that society and a human being is different because human being is not to dies and cannot be studied separately from its function. Whereas society continues to function, it can change and transform. It can be studied separately from its function. So system or the social system is different from human or a lifespan of a human or organism. These are the assumptions of Radcliffe Brown in his structural functional theory that we have already discussed in chapter 6. So the fifth reason is method of studying part of a system, its interrelation and contribution, that it is a functional approval. Thus, Parson has given a systematic approach to analyze society. Each subsystem or system is taken from the system and broke into 4 parts, looking for its component that respectively form AGIL, A-G-I-L. It is the ideal type and also known as grand theory. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more future updates.